A person is asked to select a number from positive integers 1 to 7. If the number selected by him is odd, he is entitled to get the prize. If he is asked to take 5 trials, then find the probability of the event that he will be entitled to get a prize in only one trial. Now, what are the numbers given? Numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5 and 7. Therefore, probability of getting odd numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 7. Understood this? Therefore, P is equal to 4 by 7. What is Q? 3 by 7. 1 minus 4 by 7. Now, how many trials? N is equal to 5 and X is equal to 1. Therefore, probability of X, NC P raised to X, Q raised to N minus X, probability of 1 is equal to 5C1 into 4 by 7 whole raised to 1 and 3 by 7 whole raised to 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 5 into 4 into 81 of 16807, which is equal to how much over here? 1620 upon 16807. Question number 8. The mean and the variance of binomial distribution are 2 and 6 by 5 respectively. Find P1 and P2 for this binomial distribution. So mean, that is N into P, which is equal to 2, and variance NPQ, which is equal to 6 by 5. Therefore, NPQ is equal to 6 by 5. Therefore, NP क्या है? 2 into Q is equal to 6 by 5. Therefore, Q is equal to 6 by 10, which is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore, P is equal to 2 by 5. 1 minus 3 by 5. N is equal to, continued question 8. N is equal to, we have to find out N into P is equal to 2. Therefore, N into probability P, 2 by 5 is equal to 2. Therefore, N is equal to 5. We have to find P of 1. P of 1, which is equal to 5C1 P raised to 2 by 5 raised to 1, 3 by 5 raised to 4, 5 into 2 into 81 upon 3125, 3125, 810 by 3125, and P of 2, which is equal to 5C2 into 2 by 5 whole raised to 2, 3 by 5 raised to 3, which is equal to 10 into 4 into 27 upon 3125, 1080 upon 3125. (162 by 625) answer over here upon 625. 216 upon 625 answer. Question number 9. 10% apples are rotten in a box of apples. Find the probability that half of the 6 apples selected from the box with replacement will be rotten, and find the variance of number of rotten apples. Probability of rotten apples P is equal to 10%, which is equal to 0.1. Therefore, Q is equal to 0.9. 1 minus 0.1. N is equal to 6. We have selected 6 apples. We have to find half are rotten. So X is equal to 3. 1 by 2 into 6. So probability of X. NCXP raised to X, Q raised to N minus X. Continue. P of 3 is equal to 6C3 into 0.1 raised to 3, 0.9 raised to 3, which is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 0.1 raised to 3 into 0.9 raised to 3, which is equal to 20 into 001 into 729 is equal to how much? 0.01458. Probability that half the apples are rotten. Now what we have to find? Variance. Variance is equal to NPQ. Therefore, variance is equal to N is 6 into 0.1 into 0.9. 0.54. Section E. Question 1. The probability distribution of monthly demand of laptop in a store is as follows. Determine the expected monthly demand of laptop and find variance of the demand. Now, already the information is given. We write it vertically. Demand of laptop Xi, probability T into Xi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 0.10, 0.15, 0.20, 0.25, 0.18, 0.12. This is always equal to 1. This is sigma P of Xi. Now what we have to find? We have to find the mean, that is expected monthly demand of laptop, and variance. So what columns we need is Xi into P of Xi, and then we need X square, Xi square into P of Xi. Xi से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे Pxi, और फिर जो रिजल्ट है उसको भी फिर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे into Xi to get Xi square into Pxi. Start doing 0.10, 0.3, 0.61, 0.90, 0.72 total. This is sigma Xi Pxi. Then again multiply again 0.10, 0.60, 1.80, 4.00, 4.50, 4.32 total. This is sigma X square into P of X. What's the total over here? 15.3.62, 15.32, 15.32. Now, first we find out monthly expected demand of laptop, that is mean is equal to mu is equal to expected value of discrete random variable x, which is equal to sigma xi into pxi, which is equal to 3.62. Variance is equal to sigma square is equal to expected value of x square minus expected value of x the whole square, which is equal to expected value of x square is equal to sigma xi square into pxi square, which is equal to 15.32. Therefore, sigma square is equal to 15.32 minus 3.62 the whole square. 15.32 minus 13.104 is equal to 2.2156. Answer. Two dice are thrown simultaneously once. Obtain the discrete probability distribution of the number of dice for which the number 6 comes up. Obtain the discrete probability distribution of number of dice for which number 6 comes up. Yani just visualize. You are throwing two dice. तो उसमें 6 कितने डाइस पे आ सकता है? या दोनों में 6 नहीं आया, या एक में आ सकता है, या दोनों में 6 आ सकता है. Have you played games like this? Okay, दोनों में 6, so that is 12, isn't it? पता चला ना? So either 6 in both the dice, or 6 in one dice, or 6 in no dice at all. So x for you is 0, 1 and 2. Understood this? Likho sample space. Sample space for two dice thrown. U is equal to I comma j, where I is equal to j is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, n is equal to 36. Total outcomes are 36. Okay. Now, x denotes number 6 on dice. X can be 0, 1, 2. You understood this? X can be 0, 1, 2 because it denotes number 6 on dice. There are two dice. Okay. Dice 1, dice 2. When x is 0, no 6 over here. When x is 1, 6 over here, and anything over here. Or when x is 1, any number over here, or 6 over here, and when x is 2, it is 6 and 6. You understood the possibility? Now, let's start with first probability when x is equal to 0. What are the outcomes possible? Outcomes is equal to, see, it can be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Can it be 1, 6? No, because x is 0. 6 kahin pe bhi chahiye? Nahin. Then it can be 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 2, 5. Then it can be 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5. Then it can be 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. Then it can be 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, and 5, 5. Therefore, number of outcomes is equal to, how many are there? 25. Therefore, probability that x is equal to 0 is equal to 25 by 36, m upon n. Understood this, all of you? Okay. Now second, probability when x is equal to 1. Therefore, outcomes is equal to, मैं लिख देता हूँ x is equal to 1 यानी क्या, number 6 on one of the dice. Okay. Now, outcomes is equal to 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, and 6, 5. Understood this? Therefore, m is equal to 10. Therefore, probability of 1, 10 by 36. Third, probability when x is equal to 2, it means number 6 on both dice. Outcome is equal to 6, 6. So m is equal to 1. Therefore, probability of 2 is equal to 1 by 36. Discrete probability distribution xi and p of xi. 0, 1 and 2. 0 is 25 by 36, 10 by 36, and 1 by 36. Question number 3. If the probability that any 50-year-old person will die within a year is 0.01, find the probability that out of group of 5 such person, first, none of them will die within a year, at least one of them will die within a year. What is P? 0.01. What is Q? 0.99. What is N? 5. And first में what is X? 0. Second में what is X? At least 1. So it can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, write this. Question 3. Probability that a 50-year-old will die in a year is equal to P is equal to 0.01. This is given. Therefore, Q is equal to 0.99. 1 minus 0.01. There are 5%. So, N is equal to 5. First, none of them will die, which is equal to probability of 0. Therefore, probability of x is equal to nc x p raised to x q raised to n minus x. Therefore, probability of 0 is equal to 5c0, 0.01 raised to 0 and 0.99 raised to 5, which is equal to 1 into 1 into 0.95099, which is equal to 0.95099, which is equivalent to 0.9510. First answer. Second, at least one of them will die. Probability of X minimum कम से कम more than equal to 1. कम से कम एक या एक से ज्यादा, so more than equal to 1, which is equal to probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 4 plus probability of 5, which is equal to 1 minus probability of 0, which is equal to 1 minus 0.9510, which is equal to 0.0490. Answer. Question number 4. The probability that a student studying in 12th standard of science stream will get admission to engineering branch is 0.3. 5 students are selected from the students who studied in this stream. Find the probability of the event that number of students admitted to engineering branch is more than the number of students who did not get admission to engineering branch. Now, first of all, let's write down question 4. Probability that the student will get admission into engineering branch क्या है? 0.3. Probability. You write with me, please. Probability that student will get admission in engineering is equal to P is equal to 0.3. Therefore, Q is equal to 0.7. 1 minus 0.3. Now, how many students are selected? 5 students are selected. Therefore, N is equal to 5. Probability that number of students selected in engineering are more than number of students not selected. That is probability of X. क्या आएगा? कितने लोग सिलेक्ट होने चाहिए 5 में से? 3 or more than 3. So it can be 3, 4 or 5. So X is greater than equal to 3, which is equal to probability of 3 plus probability of 4 plus probability of 5. Therefore, probability of X greater than equal to 3 is equal to probability of 3 plus probability of 4 plus probability of 5, which is equal to 5C3 0.3 raised to 3 0.7 raised to 2 plus 5C4 0.3 raised to 4 0.7 raised to 1 plus 5C5 0.3 raised to 5 0.7 raised to 0, which is equal to 5C3 is 10 into 0.3 raised to 3 into 0.7 raised to 2 plus 5C4 is 5 into 0.3 raised to 4 into 0.7 raised to 1 plus 5c5 is 1 into 0.3 raised to 5 into 1, which is equal to 0.1323 plus 0.02835 plus 243, which is equal to 0.16308. Probability of x greater than equal to 3. Answer. Only 16% chance. बाकी सब कॉमर्स में आ जाए. Question number 5. The probability that a bomb dropped from a plane over a bridge will hit the bridge is 1 by 5. 2 bombs are enough to destroy the bridge. If 6 bombs are dropped on the bridge, find the probability that bridge will be destroyed. Now, what is P? 1 by 5. Okay. What is N? 6. Very good. What is X? What is X? What is X? 2 is wrong. 2 or more is correct, क्योंकि 2 से ब्रिज डिस्ट्रॉय होगा तो 3 से भी होगा, 4 से भी होगा, 5 से भी होगा और 6 से भी होगा, पर किससे डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होगा? 0 or 1 say bridge will not be destroyed. Understood this? So write down question 5. Probability that bomb drop will hit the bridge is P is equal to 1 by 5. So Q is equal to 4 by 5. 1 minus 1 by 5. 6 bombs are dropped. Therefore, N is equal to 6. Bridge is destroyed if at least 2 bombs hit the target or hit the bridge. Therefore, probability that bridge is destroyed is equal to probability of x at least, यानी कम से कम should be greater than or equal to 2, which is equal to probability of 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 4 plus probability of 5 plus probability of 6, which is equal to 1 minus probability of 0 plus probability of 1, which is equal to 1 minus probability of 0, 6C0. P is 1 by 5 whole raised to 0 and 4 by 5 whole raised to 6 plus 6C1, 1 by 5 whole raised to 1, 4 by 5 is whole raised to 5, which is equal to, continue it over here, is equal to 1 minus 6C0 is 1 into 1 into 4 raised to 6 is 4096 upon 15625 plus 6C1 is 6 into 1 into 4 raised to 5. How much? 1024 upon 15625, which is equal to 1 minus 4096 plus 6144 upon 15625 is equal to 1 minus 10240 upon 15625 is equal to 15625 minus 10240 upon 15625, which is equal to 5385 upon 15625, or decimal में 0.3446. Next. Question number 6. Normally, 40% students fail in one examination. Find the probability that at least 4 students in a group of 6 students pass in the examination. Now, 40% fail in examination. Now, what we want to find? Probability of a student failing is equal to 0.4. 40%. Now what is this for us, P or Q? Q. Since it is failure, Q is equal to 0.4. Probability that student passes is success for us. So P is equal to 0.61 minus 0.4. Number of students, N is equal to 6. Therefore, probability that at least 4 students pass is equal to probability of x greater than equal to 4, which is probability of 4 plus probability of 5 plus probability of 6. Therefore, probability of 4 is 6C4, 0.6 whole raised to 4, 0.4 whole raised to 2 plus 6C5, 0.6 whole raised to 5 and 0.4 whole raised to 1 plus 6C6, 0.6 raised to 6, 0.4 raised to 0. 15 into 0.6 raised to 4, 1, 0.126 into 0.4, so 0.16 plus 6 into 0.6 raised to 5 is 0.7776 into 0.4 plus 1 into 0.084656 into 1, which is equal to 0.31104 plus
186 0.186624.
Perfect. Plus
0.046655
is equal to 0.5432. Question number 7. There are 3 red and 4 white balls in a box. 4 balls are selected at random with replacement from the box. Find the probability of event of getting first 2 red and 2 white balls, and second all 4 white balls among the selected balls using binomial distribution. There are 3 red and 4 white balls. Therefore, total balls is equal to 7. 4 balls are selected at random with replacement. 4 balls are selected at random. Now what we have to find? The probability of getting 2 white balls and 4 white balls. So random variable x denotes number of white balls. Probability of getting a white ball is, what's the probability of getting a white ball? 4 out of 7. So therefore P is equal to 4 by 7. So Q is equal to 3 by 7. Probability of 2 red and 2 white is probability of x equal to 2. Therefore probability of 2 is equal to, what is n? 4c2 into 4 by 7 raised to 2 and 3 by 7 raised to 2, which is equal to 4c2 is 6 into 16 into 9 upon 2401, 8 upon 2401. Second, probability of getting 4 white balls is probability of x is equal to 4. So probability of 4 is equal to 4c4 into 4 by 7 raised to 4 and 3 by 7 raised to 0, which is equal to 1 into 4 raised to 4 is 256 upon 2401 into 1, which is 256 upon 2401. Section F, first one. There are 1 dozen mangoes in a box, of which 3 mangoes are rotten. 3 mangoes are randomly selected from the box without replacement. If x denotes the number of rotten mangoes in the selected mangoes, obtain the probability distribution of x and hence find expected value and variance of the rotten mangoes in the selected mangoes. Now, first of all, question 1, section F, page number 99. X denotes what? It denotes number of rotten mangoes. Now, 1 dozen mangoes in a box. There are 1 dozen mangoes. 1 dozen means how many? Is equal to 12 mangoes. Therefore, n is equal to 12. What we have to find over here? We have to find the probability distribution of x. There are 3 rotten mangoes. So, variable x assumes values 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to make a probability distribution. So we have to find the probability that out of 12 mangoes, no mangoes are rotten. Out of 12 mangoes, 1 is rotten. Now, इसमें लिखो 3 mangoes are randomly selected without replacement. This is important. Without replacement. It means what? एक साथ 3 select कर लिया. Understood this? Now, probability of 0 rotten mangoes. Probability of 0, which is what? क्या आएगा? Now, there are 12 mangoes. इसमें से 3 are rotten and rest 9 are normal. Okay. Now, 0 rotten, so 3 में से 0 and 9 में से 9C3. Upon how many? 12, 12C3, which is equal to, what is 9C3? 9 into 8 into 7 upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 12 into 11 into 10 upon, so into 3 into 2 into 1. Cancel 84 by 220 or 42 by 110. Now, probability of 1 rotten mango P of 1, which is equal to 3C1 into 9C2 upon 12C3, which is 3 into 9 into 8 upon 2 into 1 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 220, keep it as it is, and how much over here? 108. Or we can solve it further. 54 by 110. Then probability of two rotten mangoes. Probability of 2 is equal to 3C2 into 9C1 upon 12C3, which is equal to 3 into 9 upon 220. 27 upon 220. 3C2 is 3. Then continue. Probability of 3 rotten mangoes. Probability of 3 is 3C3 into 9C0 upon 12C3, which is equal to 3C3 is 1 upon 220. Now over here we have to find the expected value and variance. So probability distribution. Xi 0, 1, 2, 3. P of Xi 84 by 220, 108 by 220, 27 by 220 and 1 by 220 is the total one.
Yes.
Now what we have to find? We have to find Xi into P of Xi, and we have to find Xi square into P of Xi. Multiply करना है, so 0, this will be 0, 108 by 220, 108 by 220, 54 by 220, 108 by 220, 3 by 220, 9 by 220. Total, how much? 165 by 220. 216, 225 by 220. Therefore, mean is equal to mu is equal to expected value of random variable x is equal to sigma x into p of x, which is equal to 165 by 220. Whereas is equal to sigma square is equal to expected value of random variable x square minus expected value of x the whole square, now, which is equal to sigma x square p of x minus sigma x we have already found 165 by 220 the whole square, which is equal to 225 by 220 minus ये कितना है 0.5625, which is equal to 1.0227 minus 0.5625, which is equal to 0.4602. Answer. Question 2. It is known that 50% of students studying in 10th standard have a habit of eating chocolate. To examine the information, 1024 investigators are appointed. Every investigator randomly selects 10 students from the population. Every investigator randomly selects 10 students from the population of such students and examines them for the habit of eating chocolate. Find the expected number of investigators who inform that less than 30% of students have a habit of eating chocolate. Now, first, let's find out. First, probability that a student has habit of eating chocolate, which is equal to how much? 50%. This is equal to 0.5. This is what I want to find. So probability of success P is equal to 0.5. Therefore, Q is equal to also 0.5. 1 minus 0.5. Now, 10 students are selected. Therefore, n is equal to 10. Probability that, first we find the probability that less than 30% students have a habit of eating chocolate is probability of x less than 3. So 3 कैसे आया? 10 students into 30%, which is equal to 3 students. So we have to find probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2, which is equal to, we'll use binomial. So n is 10 C0 into 0.5. You can also take 1 by 2 raised to 0 and 0.5 raised to 10 plus 10C1 0.5 raised to 1, 0.5 raised to 9 is of course 10, and plus 10C2, 0.5 raised to 2, 0.5 raised to 8, which is equal to 1 into 0.5 raised to 10 is how much? 0.976. Okay. Now, plus 10C1 is 10 into this. When you multiply this, it is 0.5 raised to 10 only into 0.000976 plus 10C2 is 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1. 45 into 0.000976, which is equal to 0.05 656, or P is equal to half and Q is equal to half, which is equal to 10C0 1 by 2 raised to 0 1 by 2 raised to 10 plus 10C1 1 by 2 raised to 1 1 by 2 raised to 10, 2 raised to 9 plus 10C2 1 by 2 raised to 2 1 by 2 raised to 8, which is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 by 1024
Yes.
plus 10 into 1 by 1024 plus 10C2 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1 into 1 by 1024, which is equal to 1 by 1024 plus 10 by 1024 plus 45 by 1024, which is equal to 56 by 1024, is equal to 0.054656. Now which one is faster? 1 by 2 obviously. Okay. We have to find out expected number of investigators. Therefore, expected number of investigators who inform that less than 30% students have habit of eating chocolate is equal to 1024 into 56 by 1024, which is equal to 56. फ्रैक्शन में अगेन डिफिकल्ट हो जाता